and catch the midnight rider. God, my face hurts. So much.
Here she is with her computer. She's happy.
Look at that Macy.
Her MySpace.
MySpace! That's the end for MySpace right there. Mom, look at. Ready for the blackness?
Wow.
Oh, dimples!
Oh, you do have them. You do! You got them right there.
What's up?
What's up? So, how do you like working at Taco Bell?
I like tacos.
Taco?
And please, no, I'm just kidding.
Don't spit in the food.
If I don't lick someone, I might.
Don't say that, Peyton.
Maybe I should grow my pubes all off. I could be like.
Aw, Peyton. You're on camera. Come on down. Don't piss her off if you go to Taco Bell.